Hey guys, it's me Anthony Lee 247 on YouTube. Or you guys know I'm working on my War Machine, and I just added this strobe light effect to the machine gun arms to simulate me firing. But I'm going to add in the special effects of the gun firing too. Same thing for the lighting effect for the machine gun too, with the lights. But haven't got around to it just yet because got a lot of other things to do too. Check it out. Pretty neat. So got a little couple more things to do. So gotta wire up the breadboard for the sound effects and wire it all up. So hope you guys enjoy the little cool light effects. Later.